this is a plier that is used to extract the nail out inside the these are basically all the tools which are required to make your puncture, to mend your puncture and tire. Hello friends, welcome back to Miles to Know. Have you ever wondered when you are driving a car and your tire gets punctured? What will you do? You're on a highway and there is no repairing maintenance shop around. This is why I say that always you should have a kit, a puncture repair kit, which is handy for your convenience. And if you have a puncture repair kit, you can easily repair your puncture. It's not a difficult task. Anyone can learn it. Anyone can do it. Friends, repairing the puncture is not a difficult task. It's easy. It comes handy. And if you know it, it's always for your benefit. Because you may get stuck at some place on some highway where there is no repairing shop. So you would always require these, and they can be very handy. Furthermore, it's also for your convenience that you can do it at your ease. Suppose right now you find that it's not possible for you to get your puncture mended or repaired, so you can do it later in your tubeless tire. How to do it will be seen in the next footage. But before we move on to the next footage, in which I'll let you see that how it is done practically on a tire, let me tell you about certain extra tools, additional tools which you would require in order to repair your puncture. Primarily, you would require a jack, which is already given in your car at the back, and then of course you would require one toolbox, which is already given with a car. Then some additional tools are there, like this is a plier that is used to extract the nail out of the tire. You see its head is quite pointed, so it can extract the nail. Then we have, once you have extracted the nail, then what you do, you drive this plier inside the hole which is due to the nail's insertion. So then you insert it inside and clean the passage, the place or the spot where the nail was there. You clean it with it and you make it thick enough in order to insert these strips with the help of another tool, which is this. What you do, you insert these strips inside the eye of this tool. Then you insert this tool inside the passage which was made with the help of this tool, and then you snatch this tool back. You withdraw it from the tire, and then these strips are left inside. Some of the part of this strip is left outside, which is then cut with the help of this cutter. Additional strip which is outside of the tire. So these are basically all the tools which are required to make your puncture, to mend your puncture and tire. These can be ordered online on any shop, on any online website. These can be ordered from any online website, and they come very handy when you're repairing a puncture. I'll also tell you how to change the stepney. But I think that if you learn this skill, it is always for your benefit, it is always for your good. Because usually you don't have a inflator, tire inflator. So another important thing that you must have is the tire inflator. You may check out other videos in my playlist where you'll find how to use the digital tire inflator and why it is important for you to keep in your car. Anytime you find that your tire is low on pressure, or you find that your car is punctured and you need to repair it, so you can repair with the help of these tools, which is very easy. You'll be seeing in the next footage, and you can then inflate it back with the help of digital tire inflator. So this is how to repair your tire with the help of these tools. Thank you very much for watching. Next time I would come up with another video. Stay tuned to Miles to Know. Thank you.